I worked at Suncoast High School from the years of 2003 until 2005, and I taught IB and AP classes there. I taught IB Psychology and IB Comparative Government. I taught AP American, I taught AP World, and I taught AP Psych, along with World History and American History. Over the 2 years, you teach a variety of different subjects, especially in high school. Were you aware that most high school teachers have to carry one or two or three or four different preps? That's a lot of time that we have to prepare to educate your children. It's not a lot of time to set up for, indoctrination, as the right wing always claims. When I was in high school, and because I taught AP and IB classes, there were a lot of essays. So I did a lot of my essay writing with them on Fridays so that I had the weekend to grade them. And my papers were usually graded at my friends' houses or, at a bar watching a football game, so I could make sure to grades back to my students so they could prepare themselves for the AP or the IB exam that was at the end of the school year. There is a tremendous amount of preparation that takes place. I know people look at teachers and go, well, you've got 8 weeks off during the summer. How many of you parents remember how much fun it was trying to educate your 1 or 2 children at home during the pandemic? And then ask yourself what that number would be like if there were 125 of them. Because 125 to 150 kids is on average what a middle school or high school teacher will have. And there are state laws that limit the number of kids that you can have in a classroom. Just remember that when you're complaining about education and indoctrination, the amount of time that people do to make sure your kids are educated, and those people are willing to stand in front of a door and die for your child.